A Good Samaritan here in New York jumped in to save a woman facing a knife attack on a subway platform. And TJ has this incredible story.
And sir, you said here in New York, this is at one of the busiest subway stations in all of and in the heart of Manhattan. And this story in this video, you see something go from horrific to heroic, just like that. He's the hero who rushed in to stop a violent subway attack.
The moment I saw the knife, I decided to run to that spot.
The attack happened just after 10 p.m. at the Union Square substation, one of the busiest hubs for commuters and tourists in New York City. Surveillance video shows the suspect approaching the woman before grabbing her and pulling her from the edge of the platform.
Her scream was alarming enough. It was a scream of terror.
The Good Samaritan, Sean Conboy, says the attacker quickly began slashing his 54-year-old victim. You can then see Conboy rush in. He tackles the attacker as others join to help him hold him down until police arrive.
I knew enough to know that as long as I keep him in front of me or down, face down on the platform, he's going to have a much harder time turning the knife on me.
Conboy is thankful he could help, but he says he worries about a recent spike in violence on the country's largest subway system.
If it can happen to her, it can happen to you, and it can happen to me.